walking on the floor. Oh, on the firewood, man. Freaking run. Keep it up.
Smooth Gefixt houden.
Take care about nature. The midget. Oh, it's bad. Once you're here, sitting still. Terror. Strikes.
Don't let it go. What you do? Chasing a dream. Chasing a dream.
There's the beach there and there to build, like, okay. I see our first victim.
What are you up to?
This way. First ever time using the buck saw. Straight out of production, beta mode.
Okay,
Right.
Exciting.
Oh, oh man.
What's with the thing in your mouth, Dylan?
Licorice root.
You're enjoying yourself there.
Oh yeah. Right, the first one, first of many, I think. We want to make two big round stacks, about 3-4 meters long, but they're not very thick and they're fairly light. So I think, you know, like maybe 1 meter diameter or something. What do you think?
Well,
Sure,
1 meter diameter.
roughly, like.
Well, I would say
How many logs in one floater? So at least like, you know, 30 or 40.
it's trial and error, right?
Yeah, I guess. That was the first one. Anyway, let's get another one.
How's the buck saw going?
Cutting power is good, accuracy is bad, but it's my first time using it, so maybe that's why it's not. You know?
Mm-hmm.
It's not gonna be easy, man. It's so dense in here. Yeah, definitely nice, man. You know the old folding song.
Silky upgrades.
Oh man, you know it's so dead tight in here. And then you start cutting with this thing. Start off nice and straight, and then it just goes. And once you have the start of the cut made, it's very, very hard to change the angle afterwards. Anyway, lunchtime.
Bit of tea. How many days will it take us?
Oh Jesus, I don't know, man. How many have we now? How many logs? Like 6 or so?
A little more.
A little more? I don't
10?
know. No. Well, the thing is that it's not just building. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It's all the camera stuff and camping stuff, and you know. Yeah, weather's on our side. That's good.
Yeah, what's up, Jaeger? Oh, you're so sweet.
Oh, he's after the. He's after the fucking.
Oh, that's why he's so sweet. Eh?
Okay, dude.
Okay, dude, let's get to work again.
Yeah. Okay, let's tie this shit up. I mean, let's tie it up. Okay?
Yes. The dock is open! Oh, that's okay.
Ho ho ho.
It has to go a lot tighter, doesn't it?
Yeah, but there's no way to do
No,
it,
I
to
know,
do
I
it
know.
without doing this. Okay, I hold it. You go.
I go. Oh, I'm gonna sit on it.
Okay, I'll give you a push, yeah.
Yeah.
Up you go, man. It's your force, yeah.
Okay. That works.
Okay, smooth hour. Hey. Start with the Raft.
Hold them there for the moment.
Okay, let's give it a roll.
That is a problem. That should be rescued.
Okay, dude. The 2 floaters. All we need now is a deck and a sail.
Test run, test run.
We're touching the ground there, actually. This is us without the weight of the platform, without luggage, without going to the corner.
We're already running low on paracord, but we need more. We should also have some for to tie on the. You can't just lay them on if you stay on this side.
I thought the deal was that we use like spruce roots and stuff for that.
Yeah, okay. How is the dinner?
Pretty good. It's a bit hot. What you call them? Lentils
Yes.
with
Very good food, you know I like them.
vegetables and peanuts.
Peanuts, yeah. And we did a little bit of sauce in it. Stock and mushroom sauce mix. Very bushcraft worthy.
Raft progress. Well, the floating part is done. So now we move on to the living part. You know, like the deck, like the actual part where we have to chill on.
With the fire.
Time for a tea break, man. Gotta stay hydrated, yo. Yep,
one more, man.
One more. Oh no.
Always one short. That's normal, though, isn't it?
I guess. Oh well, we go into the forest again.
Just enough cordage. A cup of coffee. Yummy. Yeah.
Is it burning?
It is, man. It's magical stuff, that alcohol. Brewed by our buddy Case. Thanks, Case, if you're watching. Homebrew for the win.
Home-brewed alcohol.
Yeah, man. Not too far away from the flame, you think? I have a feeling that there's a nice stone to put a fire on right there. Alright, I'm gonna dive in, yeah? 3, 2, 1. Ah, yeah. My feeling was right. Look at that bad boy. Made for it.
Now what we need now is a big pile of firewood. This thing better be floating there. Will that be enough, Dylan?
Well, it better be. You can drop it here, I'll bring it up.
Okay.
Alright, dudes.
We're ready set.
To pull the raft into deeper water.
And hopefully it floats.
And hopefully it flows.
We haven't tested it out yet.
We got all our stuff packed. And
Let's have a little faith. This is going well,
Yeah.
man.
okay, man. Come on.
Hopefully it's gonna be an exciting night. Check out part 2, Surviving on the Raft, coming up next week. Some kind of an adventure it was. As always, thanks a lot for your support, likes, comments, and what do you guys think of this video's new style? See you folks on the next one. Shit!
I'm gonna catch a monster now.